If I had to choose one word to describe this senior, there's only one word that would do: devoted. Devoted to his friends, devoted to his studies, devoted to making everyone feel welcome at Compass. Every conversation I've ever had with this student is an amazing one, and I'd be happy if I've taught him even half as much as he's taught me. With his infectious smile and his brilliant insight, this senior is truly the definition of outstanding. Congratulations.
During his time at Compass, I watched the student become the outstanding person he is today. He became a student who always went out of his way to welcome both new students and staff and help others however he could. Learning the bare minimum was never enough for him. He truly wanted to know the why behind everything and would ask questions both in and out of the classroom. I'm sure he will succeed at whatever he puts his mind to in the future.
This student always said hello to me in the mornings or the afternoons. This student and I, we had very long conversations over break, and we would talk about everything from archaeology to American history to things that were going on in science. So this student, he is wise beyond his years, and I look forward to seeing what he does with his future because it will be very bright.
One of the best things about being a teacher at Compass is seeing the growth of the students, sometimes over several years. This student for this award has shown so much growth academically and has shown personal growth and maturity that is really, really, really nice to see. Congratulations.
All right, so this student, I just want to say, has been really great to have in class visiting and is always super animated. And I just have to say, having a student who is very well appreciative of the school and everything the staff has done for them is really great.
Does not need an introduction. He's helped you, I'm sure, in one form or fashion. He helps in every way possible. I've been able to watch him grow. We did not always have the best beginnings, but in the end, he has turned into a fantastic person, a person that I am just I'm tickled when I think of how good he's turned out. With that being said, congratulations, kiddo. My only regret in you graduating this year is that I can't give you a handshake or a hug or anything and congratulate you on your way, but air hugs and thank you for every day making everyone feel special, like they belong. You were a true Compass High School graduate and you deserve this award. Congratulations.
Jacob Shatrowsky.
Jacob Shatrowsky.
Jacob Shatrowsky.